How to access Deputy Employee Login. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to access to Deputy Employee Login. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser on a computer or mobile devices. In the address bar, type in deputy.com and press enter. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the home page. On the login page, enter your email address associated with your Deputy account. Enter your Deputy password. If your company has two-factor authentication enabled, you may be prompted to enter a code sent to your phone or email. After entering your credentials and completing any necessary two-factor authentication, click on the login button. You will be directed towards the Deputy dashboard where you can view your schedule, track time, and manage your shift. And that's it. With this, you have successfully accessed your Deputy Employee Login. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you in the next video.